Well, hello, good people. Today, we're going to take a look at Invoke AI's latest installer, which makes it super easy to install Invoke AI. No need to download Git, Python, and all the dependencies. It's just a few clicks to get going. And whether you're installing it for the first time or you have a current installation, this installer makes it super easy. As always, links to this new launcher will be added in the description below. Now, once you get to the main page here, you see that you can download it for either Windows, Mac, or Linux. But for this demo, I'm going to show the Windows version. So go ahead and click the Windows version, save it in a file location that you can recall. I've already done that here. Next, we're going to double click on the launcher. We'll get this dialog box. Let's maximize it. Now mine says cannot find installation because I deleted my old one just to do this demo. But for most of you, all you have to do is go to the bottom corner here, click on install, and we're going to do a fresh install here. At this time, you want to select the location where you want it installed. You can go ahead and click this and pick the drive. In my case, I have it set up on my D drive in a folder called Invoke AI. Go ahead and click on next. You'll see the latest version as of recording this video is 5.5. We're going to click on next once again. Then it's going to ask you the kind of GPU you have. So if you have an NVIDIA 2000 series and below, you want to click that. 3000 and above, so 3060, 3090, 4080, 4090, you want to select this one. I have a 3060 Ti, so I'm going to select that. There's an option here if you have an AMD GPU. And if you want to run it on CPU, there is an option here, no GPU. Next, you just simply have to review the information here, which should be good, and then click on install. That's all you have to do. Now, at the time of recording this video, there is a little bug in the installer for Windows users. It might trigger Windows Defender. Now, if that happens to you, there's a workaround. Just know that the devs have confirmed this file is absolutely safe. So what you want to do is go into Start here, into your settings. You'll be brought to this page. On the left panel, you want to look for Privacy and Security. We'll click on that. At the very top, you'll see Windows Security. This is for Windows 11 or 10. I'm currently on 11. So click on Windows Security and you want to select the first one, Virus and Threat Protection. Click on that. And then under Virus and Threat Protection, you want to click on Manage Settings. And this should be on real-time protection. You want to toggle that off. You'll get a message here, just dismiss that. And then you should be able to install Invoke AI. Now, once it's installed, make sure to come back here and turn it back on, okay? Now, after a few minutes, you'll see installation completed successfully. We just have to click on the bottom right corner here where it says finish. And then you'll see some options here. We want to click on launch. It's again going to install some dependencies, so it may take a minute or two. And congratulations, you've installed Invoke AI. Now, if you're new to Invoke AI, the easiest way to install models is to go into the model manager here, and then you'll see a tab here called Starter Models. You can either install the models individually here or just click on Flux, for example. If you hover over it, it's going to install all these files for you. So it's going to install Flux, Dev, and Schnell, the quantized versions, the VAE, the clip encoders, the control nets, IP adapter, everything you pretty much need. If we hover over SDXL, these are the items that's going to install automatically. Of course, you can install them via URL or local path, via Hugging Face, or scanning a folder. I've already gone over this in a previous video. I'll be sure to link it in the description or on an end card. Now, one more quick thing to mention, when you want to use Invoke AI again, you're going to use the same launcher. So I typically right click, go to show more options, send to desktop. We want to create a shortcut so that it's on your desktop. Then you would just have to double click the same launcher icon. And then you would just simply have to launch it with this button right here. Now I'm currently editing a video on some updates, mostly Flux related, on all the updates up to 5.5. So make sure to check it out when it gets released. Until that next video, my friends, I'll see you when I see you.